All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 3 of the first foldable. Part 3 of the first foldable. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. So for this one here, we have our let f of x equal to 3x squared minus 4x minus 4, and g of x equal x minus 2. So the operation we're going to perform here is multiplications f times g of x. So we're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So f times g of x is actually f of x times g of x. But don't be confused. We're going to do some composition functions in a little while. And this is going to be an open circle, which is going to be f of g. But this is f times g because it's closed. Right here, closed. It's multiplication. Okay? So just like before, so we're going to perform the function operation. So the function operation is f of x times g of x. So we're going to go ahead and write our f of x, which is 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 multiplied by our x minus 2, which is our g of x. So we're just going to go ahead and do distribution. We have 3x squared times x, which is our 3x cubed. We have our negative 4x times x, which is our minus 4x squared. We have our negative 4 times x, which is our negative 4x. So that concludes the first one here. So the next one we have our negative 2 times 3x, which is our negative 6x squared. We have our, let's do a different color so you can see a different operation here. Then we have our negative 2 times our negative 4, which gives us our negative 8x. And last but not least, we have our negative 2 times our negative 8, which gives us our negative 8. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. So each of the terms are I'm going to combine like terms basically. So we have our 3x cubed minus our 4x squared. We're going to go ahead and pass over this negative 4x and write this negative 6x squared. Then we're going to go ahead and write our negative 4x squared minus, negative 4x. Oh, no, wait. Oh, no, sorry. I was getting confused because this one here. So, yeah, negative 4x, and then our negative 8x minus 8. So, as you can see, so across the mouse, you can see this one came here. 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 And then the last one followed suit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and actually combine the like terms now. So I have my 3x cubed minus negative 4x squared minus 6x squared gives us a negative 10x squared. Oh, it just got dark. Oh, actually looks pretty good though. And then we have our negative 4x minus 8x, which gives us our negative 12x. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be positive. Because negative 4x times negative 2 give us a positive 8. That makes more sense. So negative 4x plus 8x would give us a positive 4x. And then our plus 8 would follow suit. So we have therefore, and we have to look too if we can see that since there's nothing here we can plug in that would break this equation. So nothing's going to be undefined. So therefore, f, lowercase f, I always do capital F, so it's lowercase f times g of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 10x squared plus 4x plus 8. And the domain is the set of all real numbers. And that actually looks like this if you guys want. It's an R with an extra line. That's the set of all real numbers. So once you guys get into calculus and all that fancy, wonderful stuff, that's what it will look like.